Okay, what are we making?
Pork cutlets today we're having.
There you go.
Get from here is our plastic wrap. And why do I put the plastic wrap in the refrigerator? Well, the reason for that is very simple. It doesn't stick. It doesn't stick.
Oh my God.
So to make cleaning up a little easier, I line my board. I line my board with the plastic wrap. And I take my meat that I've defrosted. And I set 1, I set 2, I set 3 pieces of meat. And we get in with another piece of plastic right on top of the other one. So this way my board stays to a minimum of cleaning. Okay, so that takes care of the preparation. So now what we have to do is pound our meat.
Pound the meat.
This has become quite an internet. Pounds the meat. So you get your meat tenderizer pounder and you pound your little cutlets. So you pound your little cutlets out, and as you see, the little crack cap is okay. Pounds the meat. Don't want any fat at all, but this does give us a little taste. So we pound our meat.
Heat is pounding the meat.
Okay, so now we have
Very good.
we have one for each of us and one to share on our cutlets. You know, today it's 112 degrees here in Las Vegas, so we're going to leave it on. All right, so here we have our pounded meat ready to go. And as you can see, I can bring it right across in the plastic wrap and it's all ready to go. Okay, air fry these. And we take our olive oil spray and we spray the pan. This is low saturated fat, except the fat on the pork, and that's okay. We'll trim it off at the table. So then we go into the egg. Again, as we do the chicken cutlets, we're doing the same thing. And from the egg, we go into our crumbs. Just like this. You can give it a little more on top if you want. Shake it off onto your pan. There's 1. And 2 into the egg. Into the egg. Into your crumbs. Give it a flip. Make sure you get enough crumbs on there. And there we have it. We give it a shake. And there's 2. And then we take our 3rd into the egg. And into the crumbs. And there we go. And then we give it a quick patting, and then we'll shake after we cook it. And we'll show you
The finished product.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.